To go back what you were saying with the retreats with guys, yeah, it is a different experience for sure. And I think being in the wild and allowing that wild man part of you out as well. Like, when's the last time you screamed as loud as you could?
Yeah.
Like, scream from your balls.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like, or threw a rock, or just
Yeah.
like went out and skipped rocks for an hour just
Yeah.
because you could. Simple things like that, that they're these little boyhood experiences that we can still have. You know what I mean? Like, these are just part of us. It's our DNA. And it's just, I think getting a bunch of guys together and being able to do that is also powerful. And there's some bonding in there. And then having a conversation besides, just shooting the shit is great.